we performed also very nicely with uh, keeping our head space, and everything was very balanced. And it's not like I genuinely felt okay, fine. There is some competition now that has come, but I actually felt that okay, fine. I'm a co-actor, and now I need to perform really well. And every time Karan used to come in front of me, we used to have this tiff between us as characters. So it used to be really interesting to watch.
So I think I'm going to add to this. It's like, so it's never really competition. I believe when you're on the same show, it's like then you understand. Okay, I need to up my game over here so that the scene in totality comes out like well. Because at the end of the day, nobody's looking at one character because the cameras are, of course, not just focusing on one. So I think that was something really great, is what I learned from everybody in very different ways. Like, for example, I learned the art of Thera, you could say, because she had that stay in her, which is a little different. With Neeti, it was more about picking up, that spontaneity. With Parth, it was more about picking up that enthusiasm, that intensity that he had most of the times, because our scenes are mostly intense, right? With regards to, there was never a smile usually, and yeah. So I think every different character was like that. In fact, I remember this one time since Utkarsh was new, so there's one scene where he had like a lot of dialogues. Man, he went into the bathroom, he didn't come out for half an hour. He's like, "Kya kar raha hai bro? मैं lines कर रहा हूँ, lines अंदर मत आ." Oh man, he's a cutie himself. But yeah, and Krisan was, of course, Krisan का ऐसा था कि यार हाँ चलो let's shoot, yeah, it's cool, like and all.
So I remember,
I think everybody was a character in themselves only in real life, and I think they portrayed parts of them in the character which worked for everybody.
And I remember that I have never, in fact, confessed or in an interview, that one of the few nicer moments that I had on the show, because obviously we were connected emotionally also with all the other actors apart from the area. We were connected to each other in some way or the other. So I'm sure Karan had his own set of friends, or I had my own set of friends from Yaria. Even Neeti had. So I remember it was Utkarsh's last scene where he is saying goodbye to Manik, and Manik is not aware of it, and he knows, Utkarsh knows that he's not going to come back, and somehow Manik is saying, you know what, you go, and he's thinking that he's going to some sort of ashram or something, some sort of place where he could just relax, rejuvenate himself, come back with a fresh mind. So Manik is thinking that he's taking a break, but on the other hand, he's going there forever. So I remember when we started shooting that scene, and during the scene, he's saying, "I'll see you soon, Manik, and you take care of yourself and everything." So I said, so I remembered कि ये गाना लगा और तुझे आंसू आएंगे. It'll be better for you. You will cry and you will emote. So it'll be better. So उसने वो गाना लगा दिया. गाना लगाया, and the scene started. He started saying the dialogues, और फिर वो गाना high crescendo पे चला गया, and Utkarsh didn't cry. I started crying. I started crying, and I cried like crazy. The shot was just held, and the director couldn't cut because I was crying, because I actually felt that a friend of mine is leaving the show. So that sort of connection that I had, be it Utkarsh or anyone on that show. So I, in fact, cried a lot that day, that it was his last scene and he's going. And then the director had to come midway and he had to like hug me and he had to be like, okay, fine. But you know what? You cried, but you weren't supposed to cry. So let's shoot this again. So yeah. So yeah, those was one of the most touching moments for me during the show. And it just comes out naturally.
I think one touching moment that I had was, I believe, I think something goes wrong in Nandini's life at one particular point in time. I think she's had, this is, I think, when all that, this was, I believe, when Parth wasn't there in that season 2 bit. I think there was something going on with regards to something in Nandini's life. And remember, we had the scene on the bed where you were feeling low, and I remember you were wearing a blue top. I was wearing a red shirt, and you're just ranting, and I'm just hearing you out and letting you like pour. कभी-कभार ऐसा होता है ना कि किसी में इतना दुख है, they just want to rant it out, and so I think that was a good scene. That was a very good scene with regards to how we just like had an outburst. But I don't know if you'll relate. Sometimes I believe the relationship we guys had off screen also was very parallel to what is happening on the show sometimes. In some, I don't know if it happens in most of the shows. If you all have noticed, sometimes few scenes are very similar to what happens in real life also, in regards to like a vibe around a person or something of that sort. But yeah,
Yeah,
I
that's
think
that happens. In fact, that happens a lot many times, and we had. In fact, it's not necessary that it should happen with our co-actor only. I mean, whatever relations I had with for example, be it you, Karan, or be it Utkarsh, or be it Charlie, I had similar sort of tracks going on with Nandini on screen. So yeah,
yeah,
Kaisi Yaria was all about. I mean, behind the scenes, there was too many Kaisi Yarias happening.
Yeah. That is true. Whatever was happening so much experience.
that's true, guys. That's true. Iska BTS. Someone should have been officially assigned for the BTS, man. Like behind the scenes, wala.
Yeah, I swear.
You should have done damn well, huh?
So, Karan, I asked this question to Neeti as well. How has this journey has been so far? I mean, since 2014, since you did Yaria, post Yaria, till today, how have you grown as a human being, as an actor? What have you learned? Or
So I'll share
what?
something really personal right now. I believe I had got a call from BBC for the Yaria audition in the month of March, 2015. Yes, and
तो
the but
तू काम कितने खाता है दिन में? तेरी इतनी memory अच्छी है,
hey,
clear है.
bro, I remember these important moments of life for sure. I remember important scenes also. वो तो काफी चीजें याद है. But this was very close to me because my best friend Namrata had passed away the day I had given the audition for this show.
I know I had mentioned.
I remember
that,
mentioning that to you guys also. I believe that when so I had got an update in the morning from this guy called Rajan, sweet guy from BBC. कि भाई एक youth show है कैसी? I'm like भाई मेरे को तो already पता है. And you know that I think every boy wants to do, every girl wants to do like a youth show. और अभी उतना craze नहीं इंडिया में जितना पहले था.
Correct.
Like that was the era where their youth shows were on Channel V, on MTV and stuff like that. So I'm like, ठीक है मैं आता हूँ. But we got like a update on the school group that our friend Namrata is not feeling well. She's hospitalized. And I was like, yeah, I'm sorry, I can't come in today because ये मेरे लिए ज़्यादा important है. And afternoon में हमें पता चला that she's feeling stable. So she was at Nanavati and the BBC office is at Bandra. So I quickly messaged him like, bro, I can come in for a couple of hours. आप बताओ कितने बजे आ सकता हूँ? 5 बजे आ सकता हूँ. He's like, भाई आ जाओ. So I remember going there at 5 p.m. And since I was crossing Nanavati, I thought while coming back, I'll meet her after 7. Like, maybe if she's in the hospital and all of that. And I remember giving the audition and I kept my phone away because they wanted to do like a couple of more tests. And there was a rush over there and all of that. So I took my script, I prepared and I gave the audition. And after I gave the audition and I came out of my, audition room, I had like 13 missed calls from my best friend Kashif, who was telling me that, bro, she's gone, like she's passed away. And that hit me like a truck. And the next 2-3 days weren't great for sure. But I believe in a week's time, I got to know that I got confirmed for the show. So somewhere I thought that, maybe she wanted me to be a part of this, or meet you guys, for example, and possibly, be a part of your journey. And so I hold that very close. So it's all said and done, man. It's special for you in your own way. It's special for you in your own way. It's special for me in my own way. So beginning that, I think after Yaria, so I think all of us grew in confidence, man. We thought we could like take on bigger things now.
Yeah.
Be it whatever. I think that's what I think a show does. If you're on it for at least like 300, 400 episodes, it teaches you a lot.
Yeah.
And if you're doing like 5-6 page scenes and all of that, and you've created a name and all of that, then I think all of us diversified into our own TV zone of life. And now I think all of us are figuring out there's much more to that also. So I think it's been great. I think blessed, man, that I got an opportunity and yeah. And just check out these fans, man. They just don't stop, right? It's so amazing to see their love. They just don't stop, and it's insane. I mean, that's what I keep telling everybody, man. I keep telling everybody this. No, the noise this show made in India, there's nobody matching that right now.
Yeah, I actually hope that we should come out with something similar in the future as well. I mean, right now, unfortunately, we are not coming up with any huge shows, but it should be made for some reason. I mean, I just feel that the younger generation or the Instagram generation, that I should say, are very active, are very evolving, and also looking for inspiration, and
Absolutely.
they inspire themselves by looking at us, by looking up to us. So I think there should be many more such shows that should be happening. Unfortunately, it's not, but there should be some college shows that are happening that actually should teach them lessons about life, about relationships, about future, about how you take your life with. So, I mean, I wish we could do something more on this. But yes, if we gotten a chance, we would be
Never say
glad
never.
to be. Yeah, never say never.
You never know.
Okay, so let's end this. I think we had a
Killer.
great session, and
I'll
it
see
was
you
great
guys.
bonding
Yeah.
with you guys.
I think this has been the highlight of my day so far. Joining in and
Even ours, for that matter. It's not that we're doing something really great.
Yeah, nothing.
yeah.
Yeah,
No, but I
and
think
imagine
a lot
he's in
of
Ahmedabad. So you can imagine that must be the highlight of the month. So, yeah.
yeah, and of course seeing Manik and Nandini together on the same screen is also a highlight of the year for them. The fans.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah,
But it's
man, I
just for the
think
people that
thanks to the
came
fans
together.
and thanks to everybody for tuning in. And I'll see you guys soon. Darling, मेरे को पता
See
है
you.
Bombay
See you.
कभी आ रहा है. Let me know once you're in Bombay.
Yes, yes.
Killer. Love.
Yep.
Done, darling.
Bye. Peace.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Cheers.
Bless you.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
See you soon. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay, so Neeti, it was great having Karan and of course you, and we had a great time. And बहुत लोग बोल रहे थे कि आप इतनी शांत क्यों हो? Why are you so quiet? Are you sleepy? Are you hungry? Because these are the questions they were asking. So are you hungry or are you sleepy?
No, I'm not sleepy and I'm not hungry, but I was listening. So I don't know. Like, I couldn't interrupt. So I didn't think that was right.
Okay, okay. Anything else you'd like to add up right now? Because we've spoken
No,
already. So
I would like to say that this show is what you guys made. And like, you know, we are Manik and Nandini because you all, you know, gave us so much love and appreciated our work. And, you know, we are because of you guys. And thank you guys for loving us so much. And I know this is like a huge show and I hope we do it again and something cooler comes out of, you know, something new that we can do. But keep showering all your love and keep supporting us in whatever new we do because we need all your love and support. And yeah, that's it.
yeah, and something that happens for both of us will be great. Irrespective whether it's Yaria season 4 or anything else, we would like to be a part of it. So we're just putting out to the audience that
Tell
that we
the
are there,
directors
and
that we can do
yeah.
anything.
In case you are so desperate to have season 4, please put some funds in our accounts so that we could produce it ourselves and also write it, and we'll write it very beautifully. Don't worry about that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yes, it was great, and it's always been great that we've received so much of love and respect and adoration from so many people all over the world. And I still remember, Neeti, you won't believe this, that I have been to US abhi recently, and I still meet people who tell me that I have seen Kaisi Yaria 7 times.
Yeah.
Or one person said I have seen Kaisi Yaria 5 times. And I'm like, God, I haven't even seen it once. So I'm like, oh my God, how is that possible? So that actually puts me in a fixed case. Oh, the show has done really well, not only in the country and also outside. And people know us for who we are, what we played as characters. So that's commendable. And that's actually, we are lucky enough that our show really worked because there were so many shows. And I remember during our show, there were simultaneously other shows which were released simultaneously. And we were kind of insecure and also jealous for XYZ reasons. But yes,
अपना हुआ था.
exactly. किस्मत हमारी बहुत अच्छी थी and
Yeah.
exactly किस्मत actually बहुत अच्छी थी that everything worked for us. Our content worked, our characterization worked, and our story worked. So yes, again coming back, thank you so much. It was a beautiful journey in 2014 that we started off, and hopefully we should unite and do something on the same table or something else, same format or something else for sure. And it was great having you. And Neeti, please keep smiling because you have a killer smile. That is what Yoshna has to say. And someone is asking that where are you exactly in Ahmedabad? If you'd like to put your address down, you can DM her personally, Neeti.
I'm at the
And I'm
can
sure
next year.
Yeah. But thank you so much. I had a great time with you. My coffee is also over, so I'm done. my dinner time, and I'm sure it's your sleeping time and dinner time as well.
Yes.
Okay. Take care of yourself, and please, I shall see you soon once you're back in September or whenever you can, and
Yes.
we'll catch up.
Sure.
We'll
Yeah,
have-
we party in your new house.
yeah. New house वो बोलते बोलते old हो गया है.
अरे तो
So-
हमारे में नया ही है ना. Whoever's not coming.
Inshallah, you should come back really soon, and
Yes.
hopefully you should start working again.
Yes.
है ना?
Very, very soon. Yes.
Take care of yourselves.
You too.
Cheers.
Stay safe. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.